Hi guys, I'm Isa. Today we're going to learn how to use Python Turtle. Anyway, basically what Python Turtle is like it's basically taking Turtle, but you can put graphics there. Anyways, first we're going to import it. So from Turtle, import everything. Right, so if you want to make a window, you have to write win is equal to turtle.screen. But since we import everything from Turtle, we could just write screen. So now let's run the project. It just displays the screen, then immediately the screen disappears. To fix this, you have to write win.main loop. Or alternatively, you can write win.done. Okay, no, that doesn't work. But yeah, writing win.main loop makes the screen to main loop. Anyways, after clearing our screen, we can add sprites, which are called turtles, into here. So if I write t is equal to turtle, so now if I run this, we're gonna see this weird arrow thingy here. You're gonna change many properties of this. For example, t dot shape size. Let's try like 50 or something. As you can see, it became big. I'm just returning. Okay, that's about size. So now we can change the shape as well. So I don't know, rectangle. Square. Great, that was a square. Anyways, we just use this to define. Okay, so now we have the square thingy over here. We can change its color. So we can change this to like 10 or something. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be a string. Let's see. Blue. So now it's blue square. Yeah, okay, go on, things like t.speed. Let's set 5. It might seem like it does nothing, but you can see what speed does later. Anyways, so if we just write t.forward 10, it's gonna move forward 10 steps. And let's write 100. Move forward 100 steps. So let's make it a turn by writing t.left 90 degrees. The t.forward 100 again. So it's gonna do that. Also, let me change to right. So then t.right again, and t.forward 100 again, and then that same thing again. So that makes a complete square. We also have something like t.right, let's see, 45 maybe, and then t.forward 100. Okay, no, not 45, 25. Left. T.left 45. Never mind. So, yeah, we need to rotate it more. It's like 45 times 3. Yeah, whatever that is. Let's just go with that. No, it does that, but it doesn't go forward enough. So, I guess I gotta do 100 times 3 as well. No, not 100 times 3, 125. Good, so now I have this weird box thing. So now let's have one more line over here. So we have to make it to go up. So left. I don't know, around 45 or something. Alright, 45 isn't enough. Alright, good. Now it's back up again. I'll just start off with you. So now that's up, I could write T dot forward 100. So now if we run it, it's going to be on the other side. Okay, so since on the other side, we have to turn it the other way. So T dot left, I guess, 45 times 3. And then T dot forward 140 again. Okay, so now we have this weird box thing. Oh yeah, we can also write T dot hide turtle. That's gonna hide itself when it's done. Great, now it's done. So I'll have to see what the speed does. So T dot speed, let's say it's like 50. As you can see, you complete it that quickly. But if I set to like 1, then it completes it very slowly. What's gonna happen if I set it to 0? Well, if I set it to 0, then yeah, but 0 is basically the highest speed you can set. You can also write something like T dot pen color. So let's set it to red or something. You can even write with dot BG color black. So yeah. So I have this. We can also change the pen size. So here, T dot pen size. Not pen size. Let's try like 5 or something. Wait, now that looks better. But when the pen size is 1, as you can see, there's this weird line here. Let me set the speed to 1, or maybe 2, so you can see properly. So as you can see, it makes this weird line here. If we don't want that, we can use pen up and pen down. Pen up basically makes it to stop drawing. Pen down makes it to continue drawing. So it's like when you raise the pen up, is put the pen down on the paper. So, alright, let's find a place where it does that. It should be around here. So T dot pen up. And here, T dot pen down. So as you can see, that issue is fixed. So I just increase the pen size back to like 2 or something. So yeah, that looks better. But yeah, anyways, that's all for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. So bye.